We're at the Colonel Danforth Park. There's a lot of people have a picnic because it's very noisy by the parking lot, so we're just going to go to the nature park. And this is the creek here. Can't really get down there, it's kind of a steep little hill. And going to take Benny for a walk. Benny! Benny's my standard poodle. This is a really, really big park. Oh, look at this. It's on a hill. Wow, that's beautiful. Benny, come on. Come on. There's people fishing down there. Look at way up there. If you're adventurous, you can crawl up that hill. It's really nice. Okay, you're gonna walk around or along the creek here. And this is the Hide-In Creek. Benny, up. Not a boy. Okay, wait. He knows I take his pictures on every rock I see. Wait there. Take a picture. Smile. Oh, maybe we can get down to the creek. There's a pathway. Hi, buddy. Off. Oh, it's kind of steep for me. We'll try another path. Forest on one side. Well, there's forest all over, but that's where the creek is on this side with more forest on the other side. And then more forest here. It goes really deep in there. Benny, another rock. This way. Look at the rock. Look at the rock. What do you do? Ha ha! Oh, nice view of the creek. Look at that, Benny. Good boy. Wait there. Wait. Picture time. Good boy. I just found this little trail. Let's see if it's overgrown or not. I don't know where it goes. Oh, it's nice. Look at all the ferns. Okay, Penny, go. Yeah, it goes there. I thought I saw a deer in there. I don't know what that is thing in there, but I don't think I'm going to go any further. I can go under that tree, but anyway, it's pretty in here. Benny, what do you think? You'd like to go that way, wouldn't you? I think that just goes right in the middle of the woods, so I think I'll stick to the path. Alright, there's a fence here. Maybe there's well, there has to be a reason why it's there, to protect the plants and trees, or so you won't fall in, because the creek is right there. Can't really see it though.
I wonder if it washed out.
Yeah, there's the creek. Come here, Benny. Here's an opening. Oh yeah, wow, I wish I can go down there. Isn't that beautiful? I can go down here. Just don't pull me. Okay, go on. Okay, you go by yourself. I don't know if I can get down. It's very, very steep. You can get to the water. Whoa, look at this, Betty. It's your own like private little beach. But you can't really get down there, can you? Come here. No, where are you going? He smells something, probably a dog or who knows, wildlife. But look at this. Anyway, there's the bridge. There's the bridge up there. That's Lawrence Avenue East, I believe. So we're just going to walk to the bridge and then probably turn around. All right, Benny, pull me up, bud. Let's go. Pull. This is really steep. There we go. Oops. Go on. Benny, go. Right, yeah, so there's the bridge. Right, well, we found this little beachy area. Looks like a little beach. Benny, wait. Yeah, we can go down there, but it's kind of steep. Wait for Mama. Okay. There, I can see the creek better. What do you think, Benny? I don't think you should drink that, though. I'm not sure how clean that water is. We have bottled water, so... Anyway, this is the Highland Creek. There's the bridge. And cars are driving all over our heads. Can't hear them much, though. Which is okay. So you don't want to hear loud noises in a park. Benny, come. Come. Good boy. Check out the graffiti. We're right under the bridge. We're just going to walk under this bridge. It looks like there's a lot of bike trails here. A lot of bike tracks. It looks nice for riding a bike. To duck. Oh, look at all this open land. I should let him run around. Go, Benny. Oh, what are these little prints? Maybe squirrels? They're so small. This looks like a tiny little pond. It's dried up though. I don't really see anything in it. There's some more graffiti. It's all over under the bridge. Oh, Benny, we're under a bridge, buddy. You want to go up the bridge yourself? Okay, see ya. Alright. I see like a bag. I always wonder what's in these garbage bags when I see them in the wood. Ooh, in the woods. I wonder what's in it. Well, I don't smell anything. Oh, it looks like leaves. But who knows what's in the other one? Why would people throw garbage down here? Probably got thrown over the bridge. Yeah. Okay, I don't smell anything. Doesn't smell bad, so hopefully it's just leaves. Benny, want some water?